Before you start, please fully charge the RS7 battery. Use the included power adapter to connect the charging cable to the battery handle. Charging from 0% to 100% takes approximately 2 hours. Do not connect the charging cable to the Type-C port on the main unit. And make sure the device is powered off while charging. The device indicator lights show the remaining battery level of the handle. For green lights indicate the battery is fully charged. Next, release the handle lock. Insert the battery handle into the recessed slot at the bottom of the RS7 main unit. And make sure the battery is fully seated before locking the handle in place. Then, align the bottom of the mobile holder with the interface on the back of the RS7 main unit. Then tighten the knob to complete the installation. After installing the battery handle, check the RS7 device to ensure the LiDAR window is clean and unobstructed. Finally, short press then long press the button below the handle for 2 seconds. When the battery indicator lights turn on sequentially and the main unit's green light is steady, the device is powered on and ready.